Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to make a welcome message for Discord server using Carlbot. Follow these step-by-step tutorial. First of all, go to your server and make sure to create a channel for your welcome messages. And now click on your server name. Click on app directory. In the search box, type here Carlbot and search for it. And here you'll find Carlbot. Just click on that and click on add to server. Continue. Authorize. And ensure that you are a human. Once the bot added to your server, now click on the bot and here you'll find Carlbot official website link. Just open the Carlbot website and click on login with Discord. Now select the server in which server you just added the Carlbot, and here you will find this welcome plugin. Click on that. And now it's time to make a welcome message for our server. Click on welcome channel and here select the channel where you want to receive welcome messages. And in this welcome message box, write here your welcome message. And here you'll find useful variables. So I want to mention the person joining to my server. So here's I'm copying these mention variables and adding it here. And I also want to mention server name. So here's I'm copying these server variables and that's it. And you can enable embed by clicking here. Now all you have to do is just scroll down and click on save and save. Now I'm going to join to the server from my second Discord account. So let's click on, so I'm clicking on my server name, invite people, and this is my second Discord account. I'm going to invite, and now here's I'm in my second Discord account and I'm just joining to the server and going to welcome channel. And here as you can see, Carlbot has been successfully sent me a welcome message. So this is how we can create welcome message for our server using Carlbot. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.